Lake Mead. Vamos a la del túnel. ¿Qué tal es? Yeah. Beauty. Historic Railroad Trail. We're there and we're gonna go to Hoover. Pretty cool. Right, Hoka?
Mm-hmm.
Danger.
What day is it?
What month is it?
September.
Uh-oh.
Okay, well, we'll thug it out. We good.
Think you got this?
That worked. No reaction.
It should be like those reels or TikToks where it's like, this is me before that. It's me before the hike. Alive.
Alejandro, this is me. A quarter into the hike.
Chivas, lizards, coyotes, lizard. Y la favorita de mom, ¿verdad?
No, esperemos que no. No queremos ver cuidado.
No.
No, hoy no. Hoy no.
Rattlesnakes.
Rattlesnakes?
Coyotes, lizards,
I want one as a
Rams.
pet. I want one as a pet.
rattlesnakes. Right?
Rattlesnake. Give me a rattlesnake.
1929. Before the water, after the water.
Got ruined.
We ruined it. We put
Got
water.
Who's we?
Humans. They filled it with water. Tunnels. It's secret tunnel.
Secret tunnel.
They're still back there taking photos. Yeah, tunnels.
Sure.
About some tunnels, secret tunnels,
Secret tunnel.
and by the famous earth-bending moles.
Oh, and a quarter to the hike.
But there's like 5 tunnels. Right?
I don't know. I mean, there's 2 consecutively right here.
We shall see. Bros did this by hand and machines.
Light work.
Bros put in work. Tunnel number 1. And there's tunnel 2 over there. Oh, yeah. Sí, sí salen. This is tunnel 2 now. Literally neighbors 2. Tunnel 1. Timbered tunnels. Mexican free tail bat. Look, it's crumbling, so they put a shipping container. It's my old job. Memories of my old job.
I want to need a wash. Oh, that's pitch black.
What does that mean?
I am the king of curses. Sukuna.
And just like that, tunnel 3.
Domain expansion.
A little longer. I wish it was dark.
Come at night. Come at night.
Brilliant idea.
You know, you can be like Batman in the caves.
True.
Batman in the Bat Cave.
4. Oh yeah. 4. Still good view, except for that. Tunnel 4.
Delita Marina.
Break.
Descansando. Casi medio camino.
Tunnel 5. 5. A little longer. You feel that breeze? Or the trail, right? Trail, right? And then
Right.
trail that way, or is it trail that way? Oh, truck crossing. Trail that way, or trail that way. Next to Hoover, with all its darn electrical lines. How dare they generate power?
How dare they ruin nature?
That is,
You know-
that is a crazy amount of lines, though. Oh, yeah.
Solar panels.
Almost there. Chilling. Oh, you can't see too well. But look at the boneyard. Big turbines. You think this turbo will fit in my Subaru?
They can't handle an extra 2 horsepower though.
Shh. Don't say that. Yeah, just all bits and pieces of Hoover. Or I guess the electro part of it.
Hydro.
The hydro electro part of it.
Electro.
It creates electro. So was I wrong?
Yes.
A bajar todas estas escaleras.
Pero
hasta allá.
ya llegamos.
Ya llegamos
Al
al
fin. ¿Qué tal el puente allá atrás?
puente.
And then ahí está la represa.
Presa.
Allí. Luego vamos a bajar.
Vamos a bajar todas estas escaleras.
Allá.
Hasta allá.
¿Da la gente?
Hasta abajo.
Para ver. Ok. Escalera time.
Escaleras.
Where are we, both?
Now Hoover down.
We made it to the Hoover.
While you were here, you got the wing figures of Republic.
Uh-huh.
Zodiac Compass. New Arizona over
Which
there.
this was closed last time we were here.
Yes. The desert bighorn sheep. No
We
knives.
saw no goats.
No knives.
No. Oh, it's good we did not bring our knives. The touristy thing we'd never done. That seems kind of boring. Oh, but you'll never be as cool as Susie here.
And they're down, man. Hoover down. Oh, wow. Es parte de la seguridad.
That's cool.
Órale.
Boom.
That's cool. Down Washington.
Now we're at the Hoo-Hoo. The Hoo-Hoo Dam.
Who now?
The Hoo-Hoo
Who now?
Hoover Dam. Look at those.
And the box.
It'd be cool if they left it just as a monolith.
Where's Park?
This park. So look at that. The hooves. The water deep.
2 feet. 2 feet deep.
So this is the application for the fastest inner cross city country state state travel. Nevada, Arizona.
I'm about to go around the world.
You ready?
Around the world.
All right, let's see. Oh. And he did it. He did it. And back again.
Come on, man. World record time.
That easy. What Transformers do you think they have in there?
What?
What Transformers do you think are hiding in here?
Definitely gotta be Ironhide.
Too soon.
It's been 50.
You don't know?
Definitely Ironhide.
You
Because
don't
they're
know?
reviving him. They're bringing him back for the
Oh,
new
okay,
show.
okay.
And to get killed off in episode 2.
You're done.
And
You're
I'm
done.
Am I done?
You're
No,
done.
I'm not done. He gets brought back one more time for the big finale to sacrifice himself. Ah! Robo
Like
juice.
it's like whiter there. Hacks. Shout out to the elevators. Now let's see where they're at. Todavía no llegan.
puede.
¿Se cansaron?
¿Por qué andan tan lentos?
Vamos, vamos.
Sí. Estoy subiendo.
What?
Yo vengo a las escaleras.
Yo también.
¿Cuál elevador, bro? They're crazy. Lunchtime. Oh yeah. Sandwich. Ham and cheese. The best. And some apples. Boy. My LaCroix's going crazy, bro. Look at that. There it goes again. Why is it doing that? It's alive. So now it's de regreso. Right, bud?
Yeah. Vibration.
Another 4 miles. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. 4 miles. But it's funny because literally this last little part is like the most incline, but incline if even, it's like 50 feet climb. But whatever. 4 miles. Back through the tunnels. Here we go. Back. Alright. Last 2 tunnels, dog. Finally, he's done. He's ready to go home.
So far, we're clocked in 3 hours, 15 minutes.
Oh, it's usually when we're finished. Oh yeah. Last 2.
Last 2.
Well, this is the second to last. Last one's right there. Alright, bro. We're done. We're done. Waiting on parents. I'm gonna chill for a moment. But yeah, you're chilling.
This is me after the hike.
Oh yeah,
Light work, no reaction.
me after the hike.
Light work.
Sweaty, but nothing really.
Nothing.
It's mellow. 8 miles total. Literally, tunnels are the first part of the hike, and that's it. After that, you just go to Lake Mead and check out Lake Mead. Or Hoover Dam, not Lake Mead. But yeah, chill. I'll just see what parents have to say when they get here. ¿Cómo les fue?
Bien.
Bien. Bien.
Todo bien.
Salimos bien.
Cansado.
Un poquito cansados.
Está cansada, Ira.
Cansaditos.
Se cansó.
Está soleadito. Está más,
Un poquito cansados.
está más caliente.
¿Está bien?
Todo bien.
Ok.
Todo bien.
Y pues bye.
Bye. Nos vemos a la próxima.